Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use AI to write the viral TikTok scripts in 2026 step by step with real examples that you can copy and use today. So if you struggle with the ideas or the hooks, this will make your content creation way faster. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, you need to come here on chatgpt.com. For this purpose, you can also use other AI writing tools like we have Gemini AI or even Claude. So over here in this text section, you just have to start giving it a clear prompt. So it can be something like write a 10-second TikTok script for beauty hacks using a funny tone. Now, the clearer you are with your prompt, the better script you are going to get. So here, when you hit the enter, it is going to give you the script in front of you, which is also a 10-second script. So you can just simply use this script in your video and you are done. In the second step, what you can do is you can simply ask ChatGPT for a strong hook as well. So AI these days can create attention grabbing openings for your videos. So here you can just simply type like, if you want your skin to glow in 2022, watch this. So I want something similar to this hook. So once you hit enter, it is going to give you the hooks that you can basically use in your video. Then you can get the scripts variations fast with the help of these AI tools. So in order to do this, you just have to simply give it a prompt that says, give me 5 more versions of this particular script, but more funny or serious or short. Let's say first time I asked it to give me a funny script. Now I'm going to ask it for a serious one. Then if I hit enter, it is going to basically give you the 5 versions of the script. So you can start with any one of these and you can just make it or convert it into the long one. Now you can also use these writing softwares in order to get the CTAs. So you can ask it to give me CTA and it is going to give you the CTA as per your own brand. So this way you will be able to use AI to write the TikTok scripts in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.